Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to draw a boning line and also cover your Regiline boning and sew it on top of your corset. So watch till the end and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you very much. So this is my corset base. I've already ironed my hairstay on the corset. Next thing I'm going to do is to cut out 1.5 inches strip, 1.5 inches strip of the material I'm going to use. So this is it, 1.5 inches strip, as long as you want it. Okay, so the next thing is to get your Regiline boning and then your chalk, your tape. So I'm drawing a straight line from the top to the down, as you can see, with my chalk and my ruler. So from the center, I'm marking like 2 inches from the center, 2 inches down to get another line. So after that, you connect the dots with your ruler and then mark it straight down. This is the second line. This is the second boning line. Then after that, from that second line, you mark like 1 inch or 1.5 depending on your preference, and then on the down part you take like 3.5 inches, 3.5 inches. So I want the line to go like this, the way you are seeing it right now. So from the third line, I'm marking like 2 or 2.5 inches depending on how you want to draw it, and then on the down part I'm taking like 3 inches away from the third line. So from the beginning, I'm marking a straight line down to meet the 3 inches that I've marked. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. Take the inches, measure them, and then mark them. So this is the outcome. You can see how beautiful it is already. So I'm just going to measure the center front, the center, so that I will know the length of my strip. After that, I will use it to cut out my strip and then come down, use my Regiline boning, come down by 0.5 inches for sewing allowance, as you can see the way I'm placing it. And then to sew it, I will come in by 0.25 on the side and then sew it down. You sew it down gently, so that your pins will not break. So this is the outcome. We are going to flip it backwards. We are going to flip it the way I'm showing you. You can choose to iron it so that it will not stress you. So I'm going to flip it over the way I'm showing you. So watch this side carefully, because I don't know how to explain it. It's unexplainable. You have to watch it to see it. Sorry, it's not like it's unexplainable. It's just that you have to cover it. Like when you flip it over, then you fold the mouth the way I'm showing you. You have to fold the mouth like that and then place it on your pattern, place it on your corset and sew it. Sew it like this, the way I'm showing you right now. So place it on your fabric the way I'm showing you, and then sew it on one side. Sew it on one side. You can choose to iron it very well before doing this so that it will not give you much trouble. Now as you are sewing it, you are folding it inside very well, and then sew it on one side the way I'm showing you right now. Please do that carefully so that your pin will not break or your needle will not break, because it might break. So I'm done sewing on one side. I've flipped it over to sew on the other side. You have to sew on the two sides in order to hold down the boning and achieve a neat finishing. So do that gently, so that you will not end up buying plenty packet of needles. So this is the outcome of the sewing. You can see how neat it is. So we are doing the same on the other sides. So I'm measuring the second line to get the measurement in order to cut my strip according to the measurement. And then I'll do the same for the boning and minus half inch on the two sides of the boning. Half inch on top, half inch on the bottom. And then I'll sew it on a 0.25 just like I did for the other side. So place this boning on the one that is curved, on the side that is curved, not the side facing up, the side facing down, the way I'm doing it now. So we will fold it the same way we folded the first one. That's just basically it. So this is the other part. I'm trying to do the same on the other part, just as you are seeing it. So this is the outcome. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.